We're going to take a look at this website right here for music and sound effects for your fantasy adventure. It's tabletopy.com. You can get stuff like your basic sound effects like footsteps. You have your combat stuff right here. Okay. We have your ambience. And you can combine these if you wanted to. And like if you got your even background music, you can do Happy Village and walk through it. And of course your last thing you have is your DM tools. And this can help you out on your fantasy adventures.